Welcome to our e-learning video on the subject of the Council of Constance. In this lesson, we will explore the historical context, key events, and significance of the Council of Constance, a significant gathering in the history of the Catholic Church. So, let's get started. The Council of Constance was a church council held between 1414 and 1418 in the city of Constance, located in present-day Germany. It was called to address the Western Schism, a period of division within the Catholic Church, when multiple individuals claimed to be the legitimate pope. The council aimed to restore unity, reform the Church, and address theological controversies of the time. To understand the context of the Council of Constance, we must consider the tumultuous period in the Catholic Church leading up to it. The Western Schism, which began in 1378, saw rival claimants, the Papacy, leading to a deepening divide within the Church. This situation caused confusion and a crisis of legitimacy, and the council was convened to resolve these issues. The Council of Constance is notable for several key events. Firstly, it succeeded in resolving the Papal Schism by deposing the rival claimants and electing Pope Martin V as the sole legitimate pontiff. This restoration of unity brought an end to the division within the Catholic Church and re-established the authority of the Papacy. Secondly, the Council played a crucial role in initiating church reforms. It addressed issues such as corruption, seminal, the buying or selling of church offices, and moral laxity among the clergy. The Council also promoted theological debates and discussions, leading to important theological advancements and clarifications. Perhaps the most famous event associated with the Council of Constance is the trial and execution of Jan Hus, a Czech reformer who was accused of heresy. Hus's teachings were influenced by the ideas of John Wycliffe, and he criticized certain practices of the Catholic Church. The council condemned Hus as a heretic and ordered his execution, which had significant repercussions for the religious and political landscape of Europe. The Council of Constance had a profound impact on the Catholic Church and European history. It helped restore the authority and credibility of the Papacy, bringing an end to the schism that had plagued the Church for decades. The Council's reforms also laid the foundation for future changes within the Church, leading to a revitalization of the clergy and renewed focus on spiritual matters. However, it is important to note that the Council was not without controversy and political maneuvering. The interests of different factions and nations often clashed, and power struggles influenced the decision-making process. Additionally, the execution of Jan Hus, seen by many as a martyr for religious reform, led to tensions and conflicts that continued long after the Council's conclusion. In conclusion, the Council of Constance was a significant event in the history of the Catholic Church. It played a crucial role in resolving the Western Schism, initiating church reforms, and addressing theological controversies of the time. The Council's impact on the Church and European history was far-reaching, although it also faced criticism and challenges along the way. Thank you for watching our e-learning video on the Council of Constance. We hope this lesson has provided you with valuable insights into this important historical event. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Stay curious and keep learning.